Okay guys, I'm on the farm. I'm going to do a practical shoot for my dedicated status. It's an A4 size target that my club gives me to shoot at, just to keep my dedicated status. It's a basic, simple 10 yards, 10 meters drill. Scoring is simple. There's different rings. Each ring has its own score, so it's just as simple as that. Whatever ring I hit, that's the score I get. It's 10 rounds, basically it's my own time, nothing funny, just basically that. So it's just 10 rounds and then we'll move on. It's just pistol this, then I'm going to do rim fire and then I'll do center fire as well later. This is a Glock 17 Gen 4 9mm. Rounds. Not very happy with the grouping, but it is what it is.